Hi everybody, it's me Joe, and I want to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's short video, I want to give you 5 idioms that mean I am surprised. Okay? So these are 5 different English idioms that mean I am surprised or I was surprised. Before I get to that, I want to remind you to hit the subscribe button and click that little bell down there if you want to be notified when I release a new video like this one. Okay? The first idiom is out of the blue. So if something happens out of the blue, that means you weren't expecting it. It was a surprise. It surprised you. So yesterday I was sitting at home when out of the blue, my brother called me. Okay? I wasn't expecting my brother to call me, and he did, so I was surprised. Number 2 is knocked me over with a feather. Okay? And we use this one to mean you were so surprised, you were kind of stunned by something, and if somebody hit you with a feather, it would knock you over. So when I heard that Uncle Charlie was coming to town, you could have knocked me over with a feather. So imagine Uncle Charlie never visits our town, so I was very surprised when it happened. So when I heard the news, I was stunned. I was surprised. You could knock me over with a feather. Number 3 is jaw dropped. Okay? So your jaw is, right, the bottom part of your mouth, and it drops. That means it comes down. So if you see something or you hear something that's very surprising, your jaw could drop. So when I saw Charlie and Sally together downtown, my jaw just dropped. Okay? So you can also say that situation was a jaw dropper. Very surprising. Number 4 is dropped a bomb or dropped a bombshell. So that means somebody presented something or said something that was super surprising. Okay? So Bethany came into the staff room today and she dropped a bomb when she told us all she was quitting. Okay, so I work with Bethany, and if she decided to quit her job, it would be really surprising. All right, so she dropped a bomb. That means she announced something that was very surprising. And number 5, the last one is now I've seen it all. Okay, you say this after, right, after something surprising happens. So if you see an elephant walking down your street, and that's really surprising, you'd say, oh my God, now I've seen it all. That means this is something you weren't expecting to see, so now you have seen everything in life, right? I have seen it all, because that was really surprising. All right? So those are the 5 idioms. I hope you enjoyed them, and I hope you understand what they mean, but through the examples. Oh, also, if you are interested in studying further with me, check in the notes below this video and you can see the links to some of my courses and places that I help teach. All right, if you're interested, check them out. All right, that's it for now. Bye-bye.